Let's consider a common scenario many of us encounter: a stubborn error in a spreadsheet function. For instance, you might be using a VLOOKUP function and encounter an error. This can be frustrating, especially if you can't immediately figure out why the error is occurring. This is where AI chatbots like ChatGPT can be incredibly valuable. Imagine you have written a VLOOKUP that keeps returning errors. The issue often involves the positioning of columns. For example, VLOOKUP cannot search to the left of its index column. If your function tries to do this, it will inevitably fail. Here's how an AI chatbot can assist in diagnosing and solving these issues. In this example, you would input the problematic VLOOKUP into the chatbot and ask, "What am I doing wrong?" The AI can analyze the function and might respond identifying that the lookup column is incorrectly positioned to the right of the value you're trying to find. It would suggest that the lookup values should be in the leftmost column of the range you're searching within. The AI might further explain how to correct the formula. For instance, if your data range in the VLOOKUP is set as B2 to C99, but you need to find values from column A, the AI would suggest adjusting the range to start from column A. However, it's important to note that while AI can provide guidance based on the information provided, it may not always solve the problem if there's a more complex underlying issue. In cases where a straightforward adjustment isn't sufficient, the AI can offer alternative strategies. It might recommend using an XLOOKUP or an index match combination if these are more suitable for your dataset. Alternatively, it could suggest rearranging your columns to fit the conventional structure required by VLOOKUP. This interaction isn't just about fixing a single error. It's about understanding the mechanics of spreadsheet functions and learning how to think critically about structure and formula design. If the initial suggestion doesn't resolve the issue, you can continue to dialogue with the AI. Ask follow up questions like, "What else could be causing the error?" Or, "Can you show me how to rewrite this function for my specific needs?" This ongoing interaction can help deepen your understanding of spreadsheet functionalities and improve your problem solving skills. To conclude, using AI chatbot for troubleshooting spreadsheet errors not only saves time, but also enhances your understanding of function mechanics. While AI may not always provide a perfect solution on the first try, it initiates a learning process that is invaluable.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel, explore our videos and training sessions, and decide what you want to learn next.